In this video, we are going to talk about 10 ways to become rich in 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. 1. Make the most of your expertise as a self-employed specialist by investing in it. Become the greatest at one thing by dedicating yourself to it. Study it, practice it, analyze it, then master it. Athletes and performers who utilize their talents to the fullest are usually very affluent because of their hard work. In most cases, if you're an expert at anything, you can expect to earn a lot of money from it. It's the same as striving to be the greatest at what you do. Chances come your way when you're the best at something. In order to become an expert in any field, you must never stop learning. If you want to be a successful person, you have to put in the time, effort, and money to improve your own well-being. 2. Once you've reached $100,000, you may invest the remaining. Everyone has the goal of increasing their fortune as rapidly as they can. A goal like this one, on the other hand, is not one that can be easily completed in a short amount of time. Instead of concentrating on how to get rich fast, you should make it your first priority to save $100,000. Your daily efforts to save even a few pennies add up to significant amounts over time. It's possible that you can just put away $5 or $10 at a time, but each of these deposits will be the foundation of your financial security in the years to come. 3. Be an innovator and see it as a chance to help. Put an end to obsessing about how rapidly you can get fortune and start planning how you may be of assistance to a huge number of people instead. If you take into account what the needs of others are or how society may be improved, the impact of your results will be amplified. In addition to this, there is a possibility that you will be the first person to develop an upcoming popular product. When you start providing services to a significant number of customers, the power of word of mouth is multiplied. In addition, you'll get a great deal more helpful feedback that will be able to assist you in improving what it is that you provide. 4. Become a stockholder in a startup. If a startup business thrives and goes public or is acquired by a larger corporation, owning stock in one or more of such companies might be a smart investment. The odds are stacked against startups since only a small number of them succeed in making significant financial profits. It's up to you to decide which business model and management team are most likely to succeed. Early employees at Apple, Google, and Microsoft made millions of dollars based on this theory. 5. Create a property. Individuals have historically relied on the purchase, development, and sale of real estate to build wealth. Borrowing may be a crucial component of this strategy. Consider buying a $250,000 property with a down payment of $200,000 borrowed and $50,000 your own money. It is then redeveloped and sold for a price of $400,000. Property values have increased by 60%, while your $50,000 investment has quadrupled to $200,000 in that time. Pick and develop properties in the ideal locations with care. 6. Create a stock and share portfolio. If you consistently invest in stocks over a long period of time, choose intelligently, and reinvest dividends, you may build up a substantial financial nest egg. Many small investors feel disappointed when their stock portfolios decline, since stocks may go either way. Real estate is a great investment in the short term, but in the long run it is just as good and much more liquid. Investment opportunities may be found during stock market falls for those who have money and the stomach for it. 7. Launch your own company and ultimately sell it. There has been an uptick in the number of successful startups in recent years. Entrepreneurs that can come up with unique approaches to particular market segments have a good probability of success. Something as simple as an online cleaning service meal delivery, or blog might be considered. To get the company off the ground, it will probably take a long time and a lot of hard work. Every entrepreneur must deal with a great deal of danger and anxiety. Because of this, the rewards are great if you can succeed. This is how a great deal of the super wealthy got there. 8. Find a job in the appropriate vehicle. Pick a line of work that piques your curiosity. More importantly, do what you love while you're doing it. Nobody ever becomes successful at something they loathe doing. It's probable that you'll have to begin at the bottom and work your way up before you can go forward in the company. On the other hand, the probability is that if you like what you do, you'll find it easier to make it happen. You are going to sincerely enjoy every step of the ascent to the top. 9. Reduce your spending. The fact that some people consistently spend more money than they bring in is the primary factor preventing them from ever becoming affluent. The easiest path to financial success is to spend less than you earn each month. Monitor your progress by keeping track of how much money you're spending on a consistent basis. You may keep track of the amount of money you have and where it is going by using an application or even simply an Excel spreadsheet. This offers you with an adequate environment in which to review and amend what makes sense in relation to your expenditures and what does not make sense in relation to those expenditures. 10. Put it in your bank. Create goals for your finances and develop habits that will assist you in achieving them. Find out which of the many ways to save money are most effective for you, and ditch the ones that aren't producing the desired results. You may open a separate savings account at many institutions, and you can also set up automatic withdrawals from such accounts. You save money in a non-active manner and have to make an active effort to spend it if you have these automatic transfers set up. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.